collect. Excellent. And step, finish, collect. And 2, and 30, and forward. Then you can try it together with your partner. So that's why for the good leader, you want to be as stable as the bar. So your partner can use you as a pole. And step, finish, collect, step, finish, collect. Now, for the leaders, what you do as she's stepping, you transfer your weight, split weight, finish, you're finishing your hip, and on collect, you rotate your hip. So you see here, I'm rotating my hip, she's rotating her hip this way. And step, finish, collect, and step, finish, collect. Now we can do timing to 2, and 3, and 4. So this is going to be a little bit longer, and 1. But longer what? 4, not longer the step, longer the time you're transferring your weight, completing the step. 4 and 1, and so and 4 and 1 and 2 and 30 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 30 and 4 and 1. Then next you can develop it into Rumba Walks. So instead of cutting angle so much, you're going to cut angle a little bit and diagonally 2 and 30 and 4 and 1 until you don't cut angles. You're just going forward, but using a similar hip twist technique.